Rotations. Let's rotate some shapes. So here is an example. So we have a shape here that is a triangle, and we can rotate this shape. Usually you can rotate the shape from any coordinates, but you just have to know about the origin. Origin means where x and y both are 0. It's the center of the Cartesian plane. So we're gonna rotate the shapes from the origin. So when you do the rotation, it will be difficult for me to show you this from the smartboard because I don't rotate it while I do it. So I have a website that where we can see how the rotation works. So right now the origin is right over here. This is the origin, the 0 point. That's where the rotation will be centered from. And here is a triangle. And let's rotate this with 180 degree. As you can see, it is rotating 180 degree all three corners. And then that's what gonna happen to the shape. And I would like you to see that when you rotate the shape from the origin with 180 degree, it doesn't go to the next quarters of the Cartesian plane. It goes to the cross Cartesian plane. Please pay attention to that. This will be important detail at the exam. So once again, let's rotate this with 180 degree. It's not going to go to the next quarter. It will go to the cross quarter. And you can see the shape is also rotated. How you can see it? Let me prove it to you. So this is like the shape we just rotated, and let's bring this back to where it is. As you can see, it's upside down. It has been rotated. So let's get rid of this first. And what I would like you to know that, so let's rotate quickly this time. From when you turn from the origin 180 degree, it's gonna go to the opposite of the quarter. And when you turn with 90 degree, now please pay attention to that. Now it's gonna go to the next quarter. So let's rotate slowly. 90 degree only. It goes to the next quarter. And let's rotate quickly. It's gonna go to the next quarter. Now it's gonna go to the next quarter, and then next quarter where it all begin from. What I would like you to know now about rotation is that when you rotate the shape with 90 degree, it goes to the next quarter. But please do remember that it goes to the next quarter, but it will be rotated with 90 degree. So when you rotate, it will be like that. But when you do the rotation with 180 degree, it goes to the cross quarter. That's the most important difference you need to know. Quickly, cross quarter. Not the next quarter, which is here or there, not the next quarter, but the cross one. Okay. Once again, let's do this once again. 180 degree. Let's quickly rotate. It goes back and forth. It will never reach the other quarters. But when you do with 90 degree, It will visit each quarter and rotate and turn.